Kavita, Kumuta and Lalita are partners, sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 5:3:3. Kumuda retires from the firm on 31st December 2018. On the date of retirement, her capital account shows a credit balance of rupees 2 lakhs. There are three cases given to us. We have to pass the journal entry. The amount due is paid off immediately by check. Immediate check bank account credit. So Kumuda's capital account to bank account போட்டுரும். The amount due is not paid immediately. Immediate pay பண்ணலனா Kumuda's capital account to Kumuda's loan account transfer பண்ணிடணும். 70,000 paid immediately by check. 70,000 என்ன செய்யணும்? Kumuda's capital account to bank 70,000. 1,30,000 loan க்கு transfer பண்ணிடணும். Can we pass the journal entry? Yes. Date particulars LF debit credit. First case, Kumuda's capital account to bank 2 lakhs. Amount due paid immediately by check. The second case is the amount due is not paid immediately. Kumuda's capital account to Kumuda's loan account 2 lakhs. The amount due transfer to loan account because we are not paid immediately. Then we have to transfer to loan account. Third case 70,000 paid immediately by check. Kumuda's capital account 2 lakhs to bank 70,000. The balance 1,30,000 should be transferred to Kumuda's loan account. To Kumuda's loan account 1,30,000. So 70,000 paid immediately. The balance transferred to loan account. Kavin, Madan and Ranjit are partners, sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 4:3:3. Kavin retires from the firm. His capital account shows a credit balance of 1,50,000. The amount due is paid immediately. In entry, date, particulars, LF, debit, credit. Kavin's capital account to bank 1,50,000. Amount due paid immediately. Amount due is paid immediately. Amount due is not paid immediately. Abdina Kavin's capital to Kavin's loan account. If it is not paid immediately, Kavin's capital account 1,50,000 to Kavin's loan account 1,50,000. Amount due transfer to loan account. 1 lakh paid and balance in future. 1 lakh paid immediately and the balance is going to pay in future. So Kavin's capital account 1,50,000 to bank 1 lakh because 1 lakh is paid immediately. The 50,000 is transferred to Kavin's loan account. Kavin's loan account 50,000. 1 lakh paid and the balance transferred to loan account. Next problem. Ratna, Bhaskar and Ibrahim are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 2:3:4. Ratna died on 31st December 2018. Final amount due to her showed a credit balance of rupees 1 lakh. The amount due is paid immediately by check. சரியா ரத்னா இறந்துடுறாரு அப்ப அவங்களோட எக்ஸிக்யூட்டர் அக்கௌண்ட் ரத்னாஸ் எக்ஸிக்யூட்டர் அக்கௌண்ட்டுக்கு ட்ரான்ஸ்ஃபர் பண்ணணும் சரியா ஃபண்ட் கவனி the amount due is not paid immediately 60,000 paid immediately by check. First case date particulars LF debit credit Ratna's executor account data to bank 1 lakh. The amount due is paid immediately. Ratna's executor account data to bank. Second case, the amount due is not paid immediately. Ratna's executor account data to Ratna's executor's loan account. Amount due transfer to loan account. 60,000 paid immediately. Ratna's executor account data 1 lakh to bank 60,000 to Ratna's executor's loan account 40,000. So loan க்கு 40,000 transfer பண்ணிரணும் 60,000 pay பண்ணிரணும் 60,000 paid immediately and the balance transfer to loan account. Next problem. Janani, Janaki, Jamuna are partners sharing profit and loss in the ratio of 3:3:1. The final Janaki died on 31st December 2018. Final amount due to her showed a credit balance of 1,40,000. Can we pass the journal entry? In the three cases, the amount due is paid immediately, amount due is not paid immediately, 70,000 paid and the balance in future. Okay. Date, particulars, LF, debit, credit. First case, the amount is paid immediately. Janaki's executor account data to bank 1,40,000 amount paid immediately. Janaki's executor account data to bank. Amount due is not paid immediately. Janaki's executor account data to Janaki's executor loan account 1,40,000 because amount transferred to loan account. If it is not paid immediately, it should be transferred to loan account. Anala Janaki's executor loan account. Rendavathu entry. 70,000 paid. அப்ப Janaki's executor account data 1,40,000 to bank 75,000. The balance 65,000 should be transferred to loan account. To Janaki's executor loan account 65,000. 70,000, 75,000 paid immediately and the balance transferred to loan account. இந்த சம் உங்களுக்கு புரிஞ்சிருக்குன்ற நம்பிக்கையோட உங்களிடமிருந்து விடைபெறுவது உங்கள் VSR. இந்த சம்ம நல்லா போட்டு பாருங்க. வெரி இம்பார்ட்டன்ட் ப்ராப்ளம்.